And tracking the latest on the electoral roll controversy in the national capital, in an exclusive report, it's been revealed that the Delhi police has arrested 4 individuals from Shaheen Bagh for attempting to register as fake voters using forged documents, including electricity bills. The police suspect that potential political backing for the same, as the individuals had access to forged documents, raising concerns of possible manipulation of for electoral gains. So forged documents that have also been recovered from the 4 arrested accused. Investigation that has been expedited to determine if political figures were involved in facilitating this fraudulent voter registration. So details coming in how the 4 arrested individuals used forged documents to register as fake voters. The police suspects that there is a potential political backing in this case. Let's go across to Piyush Ohri. He's joining us live from the national capital. Piyush, once again, take us to the details of the FIR that's been registered. And what do we know about these 4 arrested accused who from whom forged documents have also been recovered?
So yes, Hamisha, these 4 people have been identified as Mohammad Jamil, Mohammad Shalam, Parina, the wife of Mohammad Shalam, and also another person who has been identified as Shahbaz. Now, these 4 persons have been arrested from Shaheen Bagh area under sections 336 and 340 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and the charges primarily attains to them identifying themselves as fraud voters, and they were doing this under fake registration of trying to vote using fake identities. Now, this arrest is very significant, taking into consideration that both Aam Aadmi Party as well as Bharatiya Janata Party now are claiming that there are fake voters that are being added in the national capital. In fact, yesterday only, the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal made a startling revelation in which he mentioned that how fake voters are being added in his constituency, to which the Bharatiya Janata Party retorted back aggressively. And now we have also got documents in which the Bharatiya Janata Party has written to Election Commission and has submitted them with documents of how fake voters are being added in several parts of the Delhi. So yes, this arrest can just be proving as a tip of an iceberg, and there can be several other more legal action that can be expected of how fake voters are being added in Delhi, as Delhi also prepares for the upcoming assembly polls. Back in the studio.
All right, Piyush, thank you for the moment. For now, we switch focus to other stories that we are tracking from the world of sports.